Yesterday's football games taught me a lot. Yes, some people call it soccer. I learned a very significant lesson yesterday watching the football. It's this. If you don't shoot, you can't score. And if you don't score, you can't win. So my word for you today is take a shot. You see, in football, at the end of the game, nobody actually remembers how many shots you missed. But they certainly remember how many shots you scored. This applies to life as well. Nobody will remember how many failures you made, you see. But at the end of the day, they'll certainly remember when you succeed. So don't worry about the failures. Take a shot. I don't know what you need to take a shot in, whether it's applying for that job, starting that business, asking that girl out. If you don't shoot, if you don't ask, if you don't apply, you just never know. And you just might score. So take the shot. Go on then. Take the shot. Go on then. Take the shot. We're waiting. Take the shot.